Jose. I am a gospel drummer. I've been playing for around 10 years now. I've been playing on many different bands, many different churches, with many different members. I've been growing up in my church, which is called LCA, Local Christian Assembly. And that's where I've started learning drums, becoming a drummer. And now I'm becoming more of an independent social media type of drummer. I'm posting mainly content on Instagram. That's why I'm starting to expand my image. And now I have joined the Collision family, which I'm proud to announce. Recently I bought their drumsticks, my favorite. My size is 7A. These drumsticks, honestly, the best drumsticks I've bought. There's just something about them, you know, how they fit in my hands. They feel very like they're meant to be there. No, it doesn't feel uncomfortable or anything. The weight of it as well, the weight of the sticks are so nice. A lot of sticks that I've got recently they're quite light. Feels like I'm hardly even doing anything with them, which I don't like that. I want to make sure it feels like it's there, that I'm handling the sticks properly. The length of it is very nice. I like the length of it. Like they're quite long, you know, so reaching cymbals, reaching toms and everything is not a problem. The width of it is nice as well. It's not too, the width is it's not as small as the drumsticks I've gotten. So it just feels perfect in my hand, really. Another thing that I've liked about Coalition is how they welcomed me. You know, I've never done something like this before, never been endorsed by a company or anything, and the way they brought me in has been very welcoming, very heartwarming. You know, I'm just making me more want to be here, want to do this with them, want to do this for them. And yeah, I'm just more than excited just to get started. So the track I'm going to be recording, it's not going to be on my drum kit. It's going to be on my drum kit at my church. It's called Freedom, which is by Deeper Worship. They're on Instagram. You can go find them. They do many different songs, and this one song called Freedom has been mixed and remixed, a bit of a remix by somebody called Emmanuel Couplers, who's also on Instagram, called by Manny Couplers, if you can find him on Instagram. So yeah, let's get into it.